I've been getting a couple emails from you guys about skill number 7. Remember that our arrangement was to just get the first 6 skills mastered by Monday. Obviously, I still want you to master 7 eventually, but just the first 6 by Monday, which is today when I'm making this video. So I went on there and I found the question that most of you guys are getting wrong. And this is the one that most people have gotten wrong. And so I thought I would work it out for you guys. I've gone ahead and drawn the 3 triangles here. I want you to see. So I have the small one here, but notice I reflected it and rotated it so that the right angle is in the top left. And then here's the medium triangle, and I drew that here. Also, I had to kind of reflect it, right? So the right angle is in the top left. And then finally, the whole triangle, or the big triangle, I drew over here, and also I rotated that one as well so that the right angle is in the top left. So now they all have matching orientation. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see what is it that they're actually asking for. They want the length of LW. Well, okay, let's just be clear. LW is this total length, right? That's what I want. And I already have this part right here, this 3.5 part. So I just need this remaining part. So I'm going to just call this X. And AW now is my X. Well, that's this. And so there's a lot of stuff that I could do to find all these missing pieces. Like I could find this hypotenuse using Pythagorean theorem, and then I could use similar triangles to find this and find all these parts. But really, I just need X. And whatever X is, I just add 3.5 to it, and that'll equal LW. Well, when I look at this, I can see that X corresponds to this 7 in the same way that this distance of 7 for AY corresponds to this 3.5. So actually, this is not that hard. It just probably, I'm guessing a lot of you guys did a lot of work that you didn't have to do. So I'm going to say X is to 7 as 7 is to 3.5. And just so we can see exactly how I set that up, I said X is to 7 because of these sides, and then I said that 7 is to 3.5 because of those sides. Okay, well, this is actually pretty basic now because I have an X divided by 7, and so I just want to get that X all by itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and multiply both sides by 7. And that would cancel that out. And so I get X equals 49, because 7 times 7 is 49, divided by 3.5. Now, I don't know what that is, but I'm just going to go ahead and plug that in my calculator. 49 divided by 3.5 is 14. And so now I have found that this X is 14. Well, that means that this total distance that I was looking for is 14 plus 3.5, or 17.5. And that's it. Don't neglect to redraw these and think about all the different things you have. You can use Pythagorean theorem to find missing parts. You can also solve using proportions. Either one of those, you can use either one of those tactics to get your answer. But in this one, all I had to do is set up one proportion and then add that to this total distance. That's it. The answer is 17.5 on this one. I'll see you guys on the next one.